Goldie back. Today we are playing more FNAF Wanted. I didn't finish vet repairs because this was my least favorite. How am I supposed to do the first one? Oh, let's go. Just keep staring. Dang it! Uh-oh. Oh my. Okay, we're back. Start.
Motion trigger. Breaker room.
Oh. Okay, yeah, cool. Open. How the wiring in this.
Well done.
Someone wire this correctly. Please, man, I'm gonna do it myself. Why can't I swim this one? Okay, this is easy. Okay, hold on. When I said easy, I meant
Well done.
easy. Let's get it. Now we have to do this one. This one's hardest. Okay.
Well done.
Let's get it. Stupid Ender. Oh my. Really? No.
Motion.
Ender. Bro, his model is terrifying. I swear to G, bro. You are a sad sight to see. Please don't jump scare me. He's gonna jump scare me. Oh my! I might have figured it out. Oh! Oh! I did it!
Motion trigger. Boiler room.
Boiler room. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Well done.
Okay, so you just connect the pipes. Oh, this one's easy. That was not. If I can't do this one, I can't do this one. Alright. This is the one he's gonna be trying to kill us.
Well done. A perfect
Oh, I did it.
72 degrees.